Hey, check it out, Agile Equipment is now selling Dehumidifier Drip Trays. These trays can save you a whole lot of hurt by catching any potential leaks from failing dehumidifiers, protecting your client's flooring. Made of thick, durable polyethylene, it can hold up to around 22 liters of water. Additionally, it has raised feet allowing airflow to go underneath the tray to dry the affected area underneath. This tray is approximately 700 by 700 millimeters big, with 90 millimeters of height, and can fit most commercial dehumidifiers rated up to 90 liters, such as the Zenith 45-liter dehumidifier, a 70-liter Midas dehumidifier, or Dry Ease LGR 7000. And don't worry, there's an easy way to place dehumidifiers on the tray without breaking your back. Tip your dehumidifier slightly forward and push the tray underneath. Simply lean it back on the wheels and there you have it. To take it off, just reverse the process. We have plenty in stock, so check it out on our website or drop by the showroom to purchase. For all your dehumidifier and drying needs, check us out. Thanks for watching.